There is a slow rise in the eruption maxima, and I will show you that. This is from the seismogram. Seismogram shows the maxima of these oscillations is actually rising, and the minima is also rising, minima. And this is all related to the movements of blocks of rock downward the slippage of the hills, like a VIP hill. And they're moving, and with them, the magma rises in the fault line. As you can see here, the movement creates this drop down of the fault, the blocks of the rock, creates those fault lines, and they release the steam and the magma with all the volatiles that is releasing. So this is the situation. It's not going to slow down, nor actually can now erupt over its own crater rim. So practically it can provide a little bit more to the fissure eruptions that we already have in the Geldingadalir Valley, and that's something that is different from the previous eruptions. We have now several sources of magma, all erupting at the same time with the same through the same harmonic oscillations. And last night we saw that they actually flooded the Natai Valley from 4 or 5 bursts, waves of the lava.